The sound of a seized bolt snapping in half is a noise that haunts every DIY enthusiast. It is the sound of a simple 5-minute fix turning into a 3-hour nightmare. We see these flashy advertisements all the time. They show a piece of metal that looks like it was pulled from the bottom of the ocean. Someone sprays a little liquid on it, and suddenly it sparkles like a brand new coin. It is incredibly tempting to believe in that kind of effortless magic. But the reality of chemical rust removal is usually a lot more grounded and a lot more messy. Let's look at this specific rust remover spray that has been popping up in everyone's feed lately. It promises to break down corrosion on tools, automotive parts, and hardware without the need for back-breaking scrubbing. On paper, that sounds like a total game changer for the average person working in their garage. In the real world, the results are a bit more of a mixed bag. If you're dealing with very light surface rust, the kind of thin, orange dust you find on a pair of pliers left out on a workbench for a week, this stuff actually does exactly what it says on the bottle. You spray it on. You give it a few minutes to work its way into the oxidation. The chemical reaction begins to loosen that top layer of rust. Then, you can just wipe it away with a simple rag. It feels incredibly satisfying. It makes you feel like you are winning against the elements. But there's a massive catch that you need to be ready for. If you take that same spray bottle and point it at a heavy, flaky, deeply pitted piece of iron that has been sitting in a damp basement for a decade, the results are going to let you down. This formula just does not have the aggressive, biting chemistry needed to eat through years of thick, crusty buildup. You will find yourself spraying the part, scrubbing it hard with a stiff wire brush, spraying it again, and still seeing that stubborn brown crust staring back at you. It is a light-duty tool meant for light-duty problems. That does not mean it is a scam or a fake product. It is just a matter of managing your expectations before you pay for it. The spray nozzle design is actually a bright spot here. It delivers a very consistent, fine mist that allows you to target tight hinges, small bolts, and the nooks and crannies of a hand tool without making a huge mess. That is a major convenience compared to the thick, heavy gels or pastes that you have to smear on with a brush or a gloved hand. Speaking of gloves, you absolutely still need them. Even though the scent of this particular spray is not as eye-watering as those industrial-strength acids, it is still a chemical treatment. You need plenty of fresh air. You need to protect your skin. It is not a product you should treat with a casual shrug. If you compare this spray to the professional-grade solutions found in auto shops, the difference is night and day. Those high-end formulas are much more expensive and far more dangerous to handle, but they cut through heavy corrosion like it is nothing. This spray sits in that comfortable middle ground for a casual home user. It is affordable. It is easy to store in a cupboard, though you should definitely keep it away from extreme heat or cold so the liquid does not separate or degrade over several months. If your goal is to clean up some rusty garden shears or fix a squeaky orange hinge on a gate, this product will absolutely help you get the job done faster than using sandpaper alone. Just do not expect it to be a miracle on a bottle. It is a helpful cleaner for minor issues, not a transformational powerhouse for major restoration projects. Use it for the small stuff, and you will likely feel like you got your money's worth.